Buti nga
Agad-agad.
ko kaninang umaga. So,
Dahil-
na-pressure ako doon. Baka ano makita sa loob eh. Mapuno sa MF.
Hi everyone! Good afternoon! Together with me here is Daryl from Humber College.
Hi everyone!
Yeah, kamusta ka naman
Okay
today?
naman, I'm good.
Yeah.
Na-pressure ako konti. Just a bit.
Today we are going to have a bag raid with Daryl.
Okay, so for today's video. So we will check my bag, kung anong laman. So
Yeah,
first
excited
thing,
na ako. Ano
First
yung
thing,
mga nandyan?
malalim to Doraemon. I have my card holder. Yan.
Card
Number
holder.
yan. So, syempre, when I do events, maraming nami-meet na students, parents, of course, you have to introduce yourself with your business card.
Business.
And then I also have my
Then, my
Ang
wallet.
sala!
For
Ang
my
sala
cards.
ng-
Of course,
ang sala
kailangan mo ng pera.
Tignan natin kung magkano yung laman.
Eh, hindi mo makikita. Walang laman
Oh,
kasi
walang
nga
laman.
card.
Next is, of course, I need to
Take notes. So, I have my notebook. Ayan.
Notebook.
Diyan nakasulat lahat ng to-do list and tasks and events.
Events.
Maliban sa calendar sa phone. Of course, I need to bring my wipes. Dapat ready palagi.
Ready.
Mampulo sa ano ba dapat?
Okay. Ano ba? Next, syempre, when you do a lot of events and you talk a lot, natutuyo ang ating bibig. So, kailangan natin. And, pag medyo,
Inaantok ka na. I have my coffee drops.
pero puno pa siya. Pabawas. Gusto niyo ba? Okay, next na ba? Ano ba ba nandito? Of course, part ng bag ko yung, syempre, may...
Laptop.
Laptop. Okay, laptop.
Ano ba nila agad? Ano ba naman dito? Meron din akong
Gitna.
May
Laki
tissue
ba?
holder.
tissue holder. Kasi kailangan mo siya. Oo, kasi kapag kung may kausap ka, di ba parang, yan. Pero talaga may holder na kalaki. Ganyan kalaki. Kasi pwede mo siyang lagyan dito ng pen. Sa bagay, pwede. Importante yun.
Then, sometimes, kahit may banner ka sa likod, you have to introduce yourself pa din from which institution you are. So, I have my name,
Okay.
college name tag.
Okay.
Ganyan. Para nakaganyan palagi. Pag may kausap.
So kapag naglalakad ka, hawak-hawak mo siya ganyan? Kahit nakaupo, ganyan. Kahit saan yan. Pag may kachika lang, ganyan lang. Pwede. Di ba? Maganda siya. Okay. And I also have my...
Mouse. Yan.
Your mouth.
Yun.
Nakalak ko pero yung touchpad. Ano ba ba?
I also have my power bank, of course, para ready to charge.
Baka lang nito. Malobat. And of course, my...
Alcohol.
Alcohol.
Important yan ngayon. Yes. Yan. Ano pa? Dalawa yung notebook ko. So, there's another notebook. And I also have my...
Pouch for charger.
Yun lang. Ano pa ba? Wala na. Gusto makita.
Beep card.
Baka sakali mag-emergency ako. Oo. So sa Canada, we have Presto card, but here we have Beep card. Yeah.
Okay, so Daryl, do you have any message for our students who wants to study in Humber College?
Sure. So I just want to let everyone know that Humber College is the largest public college in Canada, and currently we are still accepting applications for September 2023. So if you are interested to study in Canada at Humber College, please submit your applications through AUG right now.
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.